Hey, this is Joe from Wonders, and I want to spend a few minutes showing you how you can use the tool to boost your research, get better grades, and read your papers faster. Wonders AI is a research workspace combining all the tools you need to get your literature review done from start to finish. And it brings AI in to support you at every step so that you can move with greater confidence. At first, Wonders is going to look like this. Click Start New Research Project to get going. To set up your project, add your overarching research question. I'm going to look into pest control. I'm also going to add context to help AI know why I'm looking into this and guided suggestions. Alright, my workspace is ready. I see my topic suggestions, my first search, my editor, and my quick AI conclusion. These topics look great. Pheromone-based pest control, microbial biopesticides. I also want to know what might be some challenges of implementing this, so I'm going to add it as my own research question. Okay, let's look at the topic column. These are great because they are persistent searches in your workspace. You can come back to them at any point in time and make changes. Each column has a quick summary, a filter, a chat box, a search strategy, and your results. I think I want to edit the search strategy so that it's a bit more general. Let's just go with these two keywords and redo this search. The keyword strategy is a really important part of searching, and having control over it is something you don't get with a lot of other AI tools like ChatGPT. These are my results. If you click on any of these cards, you can access the paper itself, the abstract or the full paper, the AI key points, or even chat with the results. And of course, click through to the original journal, in this case, Springer Nature, so a very reputable source. Okay, this paper looks great, so I'll save it. And this one. Saving papers means that I don't have to worry about reference management because everything is handled in Wonder. I can also edit my search strategy to contain very specific keywords, for example, bell peppers. And now all of my results are specific to bell peppers. The other helpful thing is search filters. Sometimes you just want to search for papers from a specific range in time. Let's say only the last 20 years. You can also select to only search from papers that have a free PDF available, and if you know a specific author, just add their name. Now I'll make sure that all of my results are really recent. With my searches in place, I can move on to analysis. I can grab the highlighter tool and start saving ideas that seem relevant, like this great general description of IPM. Also, I see here some negatives, so let me select that too. And if I stumble upon a term that I'm not quite familiar with, I can highlight it and get an explanation. All of my highlights go in my notebook. Click Expand. My highlights are saved here, and I can just drop them in like this and start writing. At any point when I'm working with my papers and adding my quotes, I can easily add a citation. And my paper, of course, stays in Wonders for further work. That's one way to do the analysis. The other is by generating an AI conclusion. That's really great for quick literature review if I'm working on a project and I need just quick insights on this topic. If you're writing a paper, you're going to, of course, have to do the writing yourself. So that's my research project. I'm really happy with this, so I can just hit export, just download my working file. In case I just want to get a bibliography, my references, I can totally do that too. Sometimes we don't work in research alone, so that's why we have collaboration built into Wonders. You can easily share a project with your colleagues or supervisors, or you can create a shared workspace. Once you're in your shared workspace, just open the share dialog, copy the link, send it to who needs to get it, and they'll join you to see all of your progress as you go. This was a ton of information really fast, so if at any point you have any questions or you need help, simply find us here. Or you can just go to Help Desk and get detailed guidance on every single step we've covered here. And that's all for the quick overview. Hopefully you'll really enjoy using Wonders and it'll help you get through literature review faster than ever before. Happy wondering.